Okay guys, I'm going to do a video on grease guns I like to use because I've been asked by a specific individual. A fellow YouTuber. I don't know if he'll want me to mention his channel or not. That's between him. I like this Lincoln battery operated greaser because, well, I like it for two things. One, I'll show you, these manual grease guns, I have, well, not this pistol grip I like, is like this one here, how you gotta have two hands to hold it, hand up top here and a hand here to hold it, and you gotta hope and pray that this end sticks on the grease fitting, where I have a heck of a time multitasking doing that, and because of visual limitations and stuff like that, I have a hard time with these kind of grease guns. So I really like these pistol grip. See, it only take one hand to operate. You can see the grease, and this is the kind of grease too that we use, is this Red and Tacky. We use it. There's the box. We also use this Travalier premium heavy duty grease for use with trucks, trailers, tractors, and cars. Farm equipment basically grease, same as this stuff. Red and Tacky. But these are my least favorite. This is my second favorite grease gun. Is this one, the pistol grip. And then my favorite grease gun is this Lincoln battery operated grease gun. Just push this one, the light comes up and it shows the battery and how many ounces is left in the gun or the cartridge. Push it again for the light to turn off. Low, high, and so that's what it is. That's what the grease mobile, or Travalier grease. I tell you what, that stuff wipes right up compared to, say, what is it? That mobile grease like you use on construction equipment and that mobile black grease just, I know it's for heavy duty use. It sticks to everything. You get it all over your hands and that. Like, well, here. Yuck. So, with the black grease, it makes a film all over your hands. This with a couple of wipes, just wipes right up. No grease. Oops, except for right there, but that's why we use this red grease on farm equipment and that. The black mobile grease on the construction equipment. And then two, we have a lock and lube, or I have a lock and lube that I had a harebrained idea of putting on a air greaser for greasing the haul truck and that. The six-wheeler. That didn't work. Lock and lube is alright on the farm for like grease guns, like that battery operated greaser right there that I just put back. And yes, I do need to invest in me a pointer. And grease guns like that and like that. Actually, all these grease guns are compatible with Lock and Lube. But if you're trying to get into like a universal joint or something on a drive shaft, you might as well just forget Lock and Lube. Lock and Lube is alright if you're greasing like a hay tedder, the baskets and like a hay rake and stuff. But Lock and Lube has its place, has its up and downs. So that's just a little short video, guys, of grease and grease guns that I like. So thanks for watching. If you have any other videos or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.